The 2014 Buick LaCrosse. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power seat, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.